Skatoties pēc Isopanel European Distribution Centra, mēs darbību sākām tikai 2022. gadā. Šī kompānija ir veidota, lai labāk apkalpotu klientus, kas ir Latvijā un Igaunijā. Mēs strādājam ar daudziem klientiem, arī ar vairākām valstīm. Mēs arī palīdzam klientiem aizvest paneļus uz Somiju, Norvēģiju, Islandi. Pirmajā gadā mēs jau sasniedzām apjomu 140,000 kvadrātmetru paneļus.
My cooperation with Isopanel started a long time ago. We were looking for good partners that could deliver us sandwich panels because we have cold winters, and our clients demanded that these buildings are insulated, and that's how we found Isopanel that helped us with designing these buildings and also delivered us sandwich panels we wanted.
Mūsu galvenais ir no Isopanel puses ir tas, pēc iespējas tuvāk klientam, pasniegt ātrāko informāciju, lai klientam nekad nebūtu jāgaida ilgi.
Nowadays, everything happens a lot faster than it used to happen. Sandwich panels is one of the options how to make your construction work faster. One of the biggest terms why we choose Isopanel is also delivery time. If you want to build a building in 6 months, it means that our desired delivery time usually is 4 to 8 weeks. And Isopanel is the company that can achieve it.
Mēs arī pieejam katram objektam individuāli, tāpēc mēs varam pielāgoties ar saviem platumiem jebkuram objektam, lai būtu pēc iespējas mazāk atgriezumu, sameklēsim klientam visizdevīgāko risinājumu. Mūsu paneļi ir izmantot ļoti daudzās dažādās veidos. Ir gan tirdzniecības centri, gan kūtis, gan veikali. Tā kā paneļu izmantošana izmanto ļoti daudzos segmentos. Pirmkārt ir tas, ka ļoti viegla montāža.
With Isopanel sandwich panels, we have done a lot of agricultural buildings. And agricultural buildings are those that demand the best environment class you can have.
Jo mums ir speciāls pārklājums, kas ir paredzēts fermām. Viņš ir daudz noturīgāks un ilgāk kalpos šīm fermām.
By today, we haven't had any quality or warranty period claims from clients where we have used Isopanel panels. In future, we plan to expand our construction works in Latvian territory even more as we have done by today. And it means also that Isopanel will be one of the partners together with whom we will do this expansion. I see that there will be more and more work for us and also Isopanel.